somewhere else and
That's fine, shit. I don't want to be in one spot. Hold fuck, man. Welcome to America. Make sure you get the black man in it.
That's what happens when you see Judge Carroll.
Judge Carroll? You mean Judge Carroll problem? Thank you.
When you see Judge Carroll, don't ever come to Cleveland, Ohio, especially in Lakewood.
Thank you.
Get the hell out of Lakewood. Go to California, Florida, something like that. Not Lakewood.
Good, me too.
Not Judge Carroll.
I hate Cleveland. I know. Fuck. Thank you.
This is all you got. This is what we have in America. This is for you.
No.
Yeah.
Motherfucking ass to work.
Florida, something like that. Not Lakewood.
Good, me too.
Not Judge Carroll.
I hate Cleveland. I know Lakewood. Fuck. Thank you.
This is all you got. This is what we have in America. This is for you.
No.
Yeah.
Motherfucking ass.
All people problem is all people, okay?
Huh?
You know, the Lakewood Judge problem, right?
You speak English?
All
the luckiest man on earth. My wisdom was worth any purse, but had a curse that hurt worse than giving birth. My first verse explained some of the games she was playing. I'm blaming myself, cause in my wealth was where her pain would haven. Behaving like a money-hungry hooker. Funny how the money took her from an average honey to a stunning looker. I look back and reminisce how we used to kiss and smash hits in the G-ass. I bought her last Chris. She got too big for her bridges, but the bridge is over. Not the one in Queens, I mean the one she dreamed and wasn't sober. Told her how I felt, asked me when she tried for help. Supplied the guilt trip and I was whipped without a fucking belt. I felt stupid, Cupid struck me with a poison arrow. Should've drowned you when I found you, crushing in my boy's Camaro. I didn't bother, but you probably find your lover dead. You robbed me of my honor, you ain't shit like my mother said.
Come back to me. Punish me. I've been so bad, won't you come back?
Nah, baby, I'm not gonna be able to do it. You blew it, threw it all away, cause you were stupid, girl, why'd you do it? I might've knew it by the way you gave me your baby that left a day before I ever saw the sun that God made me. It's hard, maybe we could make amends, be friends. We're only hurting all of us for certain by forsaking him. Just take it in, don't even say a word. Observe the way you were, preserve these words so you won't play the herb ever again. Never pretend that he doesn't have a father. I'm always there and you don't wanna bother. I honor my word on my father's grave. Got him through his hardest age so he can thrive and survive in these modern days. I wanna raise my little man, but you keep resisting. I'm a